Hi, this is Mahesh Ravi, and in this video, I'm going to show you a really awesome motion design tool called Cluzo. This is an AI tool, but it's not like any other generative AI tool that I have seen, because the key difference here is that you can create motion graphics using this particular tool, and then later, after generating it, you can tweak it using parameters. It's super easy. Let's get started. So you can sign in. So we are inside Cluzo right now. There are two options here. You can actually make a video, or you can go here and make an animation. So what I'm going to show here is that when you go to animation itself, you can see that the animation is not generated using any video gen models. These are all large language models. So what we are going to do here, instead of creating an animation from here, we're going to click on new video, and we're going to start with a blank project. So we are here in a blank project, and you can see that there is a timeline here. There is a preview. On your left side, you can see slides. These are spaces where you can actually arrange your scenes and you can create content for it. You have a toolbar here where you can add elements such as a text box, rectangle, images, things like that. But the coolest part, let's jump into that. We're going to go to AI media, and here is where you can type in to generate an AI motion graphics. So what I'm going to type here is a bouncing ball expands to fill the screen. The color of the ball is black. So this is what I'm going to do. You can choose a style, you can upload images, and you can control the visual look of it. We're not going to do this. We are just going to click. The animation is generated right here, and you can see that it happened right here. It's a bouncing ball, and then it expands to the screen, and it's a really cool motion graphics. So let's scale this up, and you can see that it's already added into the timeline and all those things. Now here is the cool part. We have the animation preview right here, and if you go down, you can see the parameters of this particular generation, and you can change everything. So if you come down to this, you can see that there is a parameter for colors, and you can see that you can actually change the ball color. So if I click on this, and if I change the color, it's changed in real time on both the areas, right? So you can see that it's red right now. You can also change the background if you want. So if I change the background is also changed into this. This is all happening after the AI generation. So if you come down, you can see there is the content. So if there is a text, so I have added a text here, you can change this to anything that you want. So at the end of it, it's going to display a text in here. If you come down, you can see the sizing. Now you can increase the ball size, or you can decrease it by just dragging a slider here. You can expand the radius, and you can see that it's happening here. You can again go down, and you can control the animation here. You can make it faster, so the animation becomes faster, or it will become slow. You can control this. You can even change the bounce count. So when I prompted, I said bouncing ball. You can actually increase the bounce count, so it's going to be more, or you can reduce the bounce count as well. You have the timing, and again you can control the entry duration, the bounce duration, the expand delay. I can make it very short, or I can make it like this, so it takes a little longer to expand. What is the time that it takes to expand? Again, I can make it really fast. And even to edit this particular graphics, you can just prompt it again to change something to it. Maybe add 2 balls into the things, or 3 balls, or whatever it is. I mean, it doesn't even have to be balls. I don't know why I keep fixated on that, but this is really exciting, and this is definitely going to help a lot of people to do wipe motion without, if you're a graphic designer, if you don't know, or if you don't have time to actually go and manually set all these parameters inside After Effects or Cavalry or any other motion design tool, you can just jump straight into Cluzo and try this out. It's really awesome. So I just wanted to share this today. See you soon. Bye bye.